Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can send GIFs on the message app on your iPhone. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. So first of all, to send a GIF on iPhone, you just have to open the message app and here just select the person which you want to send your GIF. After that, you can just click on this plus option and here you will find the option of images. Okay, so you have to simply click on these images and here you will find some of the GIFs if you have already sent some GIFs to this person, or if you want to search for more GIFs, then you can just simply search here. So here I have already searched for this movie, so if you want to search for any other GIF, then you can just simply search from here. For now, let's say that I just want to send this. So here you can see this GIF is selected, and here if you want to add a comment or caption, you can just simply write here. Okay, or in other way, if you want to send it directly, then you can just simply click on this send option. So that's simply how you can send a GIF on iPhone. So in my next video, I will show you how you can send GIFs on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So watch that video here.